There we go. What, Gracie? What? What, Gracie? Are you frustrated? You guys knock it off. Hey, leave Flossie alone and Tinker. Stop it. Hey, Tink. Hi, Flossie. You guys are being bullies. That's my glove. Bullies. Hey. Just because you have a red cape on. Silly babies. You're the silliest. Yes. You're my silliest little baby darling. I know, they're being bullies. Bullies. All of them. Flossie, come by us. Oh. Be nice. Pony. Be nice. You're already nice. Gracie, are you being nice? Huh? You being nice? You being nice, girl? Yeah. Yeah, good girl.